quick little update. Picked up a few new fountains. I'm gonna unbox the rest real quick and show you as I go. Picked up a few of these Kiss of the Dead fountains. People have been saying they're really good. Tons of crackle. And the artwork looks sick. I might light all three of them off at once. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. And I picked up a few of these humdingers. These are pretty cool. Got a crazy Glitten by Fisherman. I really don't know what this thing does, but I was told it's good. Kind of excited for that as well. Sorry, this video is gonna cut a lot. I got a lot of stuff to pick up. Got a crackling silver dragon cone. Got a few jumping jelly beans. A shogun. These are really nice. Probably gonna light all of those off at once. Got a Luminescence from Phantom. For all the Phantom fanboys out there. We've also got some Pop Mums. I think these were pretty cool last year. I don't really remember, but give them another shot. King of Bling. I've never had this. Don't know if it's any good or not, but I guess we'll find out this year. Got mesmerized. I got a couple of those. Never had these either. Not quite sure if they're any good or not. Some firecracker fountains. These are pretty cool. A few Gold Rush fountains. I heard these are fairly nice, so looking forward to these. Some bowl of cherries. Got a few of those as well. I heard these ones are kind of nice as well, so I'm gonna give them a shot too. Got some Rock of Ages. Like that Centennial from TNT, which was pretty cool. Got a few laser sabers. I like the effects on these. Oh, this one got all messed up. Nice. Neon Dream by Mega Banger. I really don't know what this thing does, but seems cool. Got a glowing lotus. Well, picked up a few of those actually. It's a fairly good sized fountain, but never had it, so seems pretty fun. That's what we got so far. Let me get the rest. Flutterby. I think I got a couple of those. Got a little box of cuckoos. One of you guys said you wanted to see me light all those off at once, so I'm gonna do that this year. Got some snow cone juniors Picked up a few boxes of those. They're fun. Have a few of these metamorphosis fountains. I think I picked up like 4 or 5. I'll have to check. So yeah, it was 5. I picked up 5 of those metamorphosis fountains. Seem pretty cool. Looking forward to trying them out. Most of these fountains I actually haven't tried out yet, so they're new for me. That's what we got so far again. We get even more. Some California sunrise. These are pretty cool. I lit mine last year in the daylight like a genius. So this year I'll do these ones in the dark. Then I picked up 12 of these spiral lights. It's one of my favorites. Nothing special about it, but it kind of grew on me. Flying guitars. I've never heard of these, but I grabbed a few. Oh, there's all 12 of the spiral lights. Not sure what these do, but they seem cool. Like I said, most of these are new. I have no idea what most of them do. Got a few small crackling balls. Phantom. I know not all of you guys are fans of small balls, so I got some big balls to go with them. So I kind of ran out of room up there. So I'm going to show you right here. I got a Cool Breeze. I might just keep this. I'm not sure yet. I got a few of these Lucky 3 fountains. Like 2 of each, I believe. They look pretty cool. Heard they last a solid minute, I'm assuming. I don't remember what the guy said. Got a little squished. Got a, what is this? A New York Harbor. It's kind of banged up a little bit, but it's a big fountain. Then I got 8 Independence Days that hopefully I'll be lighting all off at once. I'm not quite sure. Maybe. I heard these things get wild, but it's TNT. So I don't expect much. Over here we got, what is this? A Malibu Madness, just a single one. A tropical fish. I think I have like 7 of these. I'm not gonna unpack all of them though. And a ballerina's ball. This is a really cool fountain with the spinning inside, as you can see. Spins around. I know I said I wasn't gonna unpack them, but I did anyways. So it turns out I do have 7 of them. There's just 6 right here, but I have another one up on the desk. So these look like they're gonna be fun. Little tropical fish. Also have some of these mega snaps. Seem pretty cool. Mandarins. Power Pops. And then 2 flats of the sumo snaps somewhere. But that's about it on what I have for my fountains.